Understanding the phrase, to eat like a bird. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, to eat like a bird. You might have heard it in conversations or come across it in books. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we unfold the mystery behind this expression and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, to eat like a bird, is a popular English idiom that describes someone who eats very little. Despite birds actually eating a lot in relation to their body size, the phrase creates an image of someone who picks at their food or has small portions on their plate. It's a vivid way to express that someone doesn't have a big appetite or is very selective with their food. Understanding where idioms come from can be quite enlightening. The phrase, to eat like a bird, is believed to stem from the observation of birds pecking at their food, often in small amounts or seemingly daintily. It's an anthropomorphic way of attributing human qualities to animals, in this case, birds, to describe human behavior. This comparison has been a part of English vernacular for years and continues to be used in both formal and informal contexts. Now that you know what it means, let's see how you can incorporate to eat like a bird into your English conversations. Here are a few examples. I'm not very hungry tonight. I'll probably eat like a bird. My sister eats like a bird. She's always leaving food on her plate. Don't prepare too much food for the party. Some of our guests eat like a bird. Using this phrase can add a touch of creativity and expressiveness to your communication, making it richer and more engaging. It's important to note that idioms like, to eat like a bird, can have different interpretations across cultures. While the basic understanding remains the same, the perception of birds and their eating habits might influence how the phrase is received. Additionally, there are variations in other languages that convey a similar meaning but may use different animals or contexts to express the idea of eating very little. We hope this exploration of the phrase, to eat like a bird, has been insightful and adds a new expression to your English language toolkit. Remember, idioms are a fantastic way to make your language more colorful and expressive. They can help you connect with others and bring a creative twist to everyday conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video. This structure should provide a clear, engaging, and educational video content that helps English language learners understand and use the phrase, to eat like a bird, effectively in their conversations.